Oh, it's sick. It uncoupled.
Yeah, gear seems totally good. So excited to see if this thing runs. I mean, it really looks like a one-eyed monster, doesn't it? It's got the lifelike pancake drive.
Huh. Let me try to couple this up. Okay, it's coupled up.
You can see how even with the moving around, it actually starts to tidy up the wheels a little bit because of the friction. I find almost everywhere once you get them moving, they run just fine. Anyways, next up we've got another little bright plug. This is the first generation. I have a feeling it's probably going to run, but just like the other one, has some sort of a gear problem. Definitely running a little bit better, but you can hear that the motor is still over revving a little bit, and now it's stalled. Now here we got one of the NEC drives. These are usually pretty reliable, but there's always a possibility either one of the springs has developed a problem Anyway, we'll get it on the track and see if we can figure out what's wrong with it. Oh, it's seized. And now the motor isn't getting any power. You can hear it when it's flying. So, yeah, I think that maybe old lubricants have just it starts up. Yeah, no problem. That runs really well for a van drive. The Southern locomotive will start.
Let me try to get a different engine out. What has the same coupling system as this one? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I got an engine. Oh.
Starting to go. Pretty noisy, but it's good. It's already pretty good right there. And maybe some fresh oil. About an inch. I thought that this was broken, but that's a pretty good mistake. Well, still back together. I don't think that this is going to start because this is probably the worst case I've seen of these wheels. It doesn't look like it's been run in probably 2 decades, but let's see if we can get it to start just fine. A lot of voltage.
Woo.
We're gonna do it.
Okay, so.
Well, still doesn't seem to be going. Probably running well enough to show that.
No, Flood here is a Streamline or Santa Fe engine.
Yeah, there we go.
D, I don't know what D is. Hope let's move Flood out of the way real quick. I know Firebox though is a Texas steam engine. Diesel 10 is not based on anything except for a world class diesel engine from the UK. And Whittle is based off a Switchel engine. I'll get Whittle out in a minute. Whittle is a Switchel. But I got a starter set a long time ago. What came with 2 engines, Fred, and my dummy unit, Whittle. Now Whittle was an Aqua Southern black engine, as you can tell about the roof, the black top, the running board, and wheels. They kept that black because I wanted to see what he looked like. The golden lining was not Bale. It was just, I did it myself. Now I tried to cover up the number.
We'll go ahead and make a few
It
more links to
didn't
test
cover it up.
try to test this locomotive out.
Pretty sure you can see his number. But yeah. I went on a YouTube live stream and I watched his model trains go by, and I told him I had a model train starter set when it came with 2. He asked what was it called. I said I don't know because I just don't know where this guy came from. It came in some box, and the box had a bag, and it had a couple pieces of track. The track looked like, the track did not look like this. This came from my other starter set from D over there. My starter set track looked like this. You're stupid. But I like these engines. I like these tracks more because it lifts up the track. But I mean, yeah, these engines are good. They're beautiful, and that's my That's my propstore.com Thomas model they used from the actual TV show. I got that a long time ago. Well, I got that last year, I'm pretty sure. I don't know how. My sister surprised me with it. Well, I'm gonna stop the video here, but telling you guys, my new character's Baji. I do more videos as Baji later, but goodbye.